Yay! Say hi! Hi mga chefs! We're going to do Ayana's balloon. Meron akong in-order sa kanya na balloon. Tingnan natin kung magawa na natin itong kanyang ano. Magpipicturan ko siya ba? Tingnan ko kung makiayon to sa aking gagawin mamaya. Bibi, mag-pictorial tayo ng iyong 1 month old, 1 year old video. Tsaka pictorial. So, ito na order ko. Ilang piraso lang ba to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 lang. So, tingnan natin kung anong magawa natin dito. It says, Happy birthday! Don't pop it, okay? Because Mama will need this one. There you go. See, you see that? It says, Happy birthday. Di ko alam kung gaano ba ito kalaki yung happy birthday. Should I pop more, baby Yana? Wait lang, ipap-pop ba natin? Montino. Cherry balls na yata to. Yeah, how about this one? Okay? No, don't pop it, baby. Pag mapop to, wala tayong balloon na. Wala tayong balloon. Don't pop it, okay? Oh, here. Don't pop it, ha? Wag mong, Diyos ko na yung marimar. Yan na, wag mong putukin, baby, please. Move there, Monty. Ay! Scare me, Yana. Wag na lang kasi baka yung mapornada yung ating plano. Come on. Mama, we're gonna put this something here so it won't pop. Okay? Because it's very dangerous. Once you pop this one, no more na. We don't have balloon. So, Mama, we're gonna put like this. No, baby. I know you want this one, but later on, after we will take a picture, okay? After we will take a picture, Mama will give you this one. But for now, Mama, I have to keep this away from you. No, baby. No, it might pop. Might pop. Don't pop it, baby. Ano? Kasi pipicturean pa kita. There you go. See? It says, Happy birthday. It's your birthday soon. Ay, Diyos ko niyo. Saan ba natin ito ilagay? I can see the balloon. Oh, Mama, I will give you another one. Which is not included here. Kasi pag na ano mo to, baby? Wala na tayong balloon. I know, I'm scared. You're gonna pop it, baby. Okay, I'll give you another one. I have a balloon there, okay? We will find. Come. So, ayun na mga shots. Meron na siyang sarili niyang balloon na ilalaro. Ipagpatuloy ko na yung aking ginagawa. Diyos ko niyo, Marma. Oh, you can play that one. Go get the balloon. Dali. Go get the balloon. Let me finish this one. Be careful. Ako eh. Inang bayan. Careful, baby Ana. Careful. Ay, ano ba itong aking damit? Lumuwa naman itong ating ano. Wait lang. Monty, just stay there. Don't go up. Okay, tingnan natin kung may magawa tayo ngayong araw na ano, plano. Sana itong bata mamaya makiano to sa akin. Bakit may ganito to? Bakit may tinali? Oh, I see. Kasi meron siyang ano, something sa loob. Okay, mamaya na yan siya. Dito muna tayo sa rose gold. Be careful with your balloon. Don't pop it, okay? There you go. Ayan na, don't poke yourself on that stick, okay? That's very dangerous. Just hold one. Hold one. Yay! Ayan na, baby. Makiano ka sa picture natin mamaya, ha? Sa ating pictorial. Saan ba yun? Ano ba ito? Parang kalaki? Okay. I think that's enough. Little pa. Kunting-kunting pa. Mag-DIY lang kami sa kanyang pictorial. Tingnan ko kung maganda yung resulta, hindi na ako magpapa-pictorial sa kanya. Pag maganda yung resulta ng aking kuha. Pero pag hindi, kailangan talaga natin magpa-pictorial mo. Ayan na, ng iyong first birthday. Photo shoot. No? I will do my best. Pag magustuhan ko yung gawa ko, magkakatipid tayo. Pero pag hindi, Daddy needs to pay for that, okay? Si Daddy will wish me luck. Okay, that's that. You want another red? I'll give you this one. Okay? Yay! Okay, this is enough. Maganda yung ano pala nito kasi dati ito yung aking ano. Ginamit natin. Sobra pala yan siya. Okay, we will do this one. The last one. We have this pink color. Hi mga shots, kape muna tayo. Kape na, alauna na. late na yung ating kape. Ang bihira. Nakatulog na pala si Ayana. Mga yata, 10 minutes ago. Sana tagalan niya pa yung kanyang pagtulog kasi mag-ano pa ako. Nagawa pa ako ng balon. Naputok yung isang balon kanina. Ay nako. Anyway, magkape lang ako mga shots. Yung ating kape, puro. Mainit-init pa. Oh, mainit na. Kasi sabi lang, mainit. Hinawakan. Ang bilis naman ng oras. Hapon na agad. Wala pa ako masyadong nagawa sa bahay. Darating na lang yung bus ko. Wala pa ako nagawa. Today pala is a Monday. Today is Monday? I think so. Monday. Kahapon nagsimba ako. Kahapon ba yun? I think Monday today. Kasi yung anak ko pumasok. Pumasok nga. Monday ngayon. Ang sarap nito kaso lang matamis. Okay. Di pa kaya. Mainit. Ayan. White yung ano niyan yan, di ba? Si good afternoon. Ay. My baby yan is having her yogurt. No, I'm the one. You're making a mess. Ayan na. Away ko, daddy. Sabi niya. Wala mang pakalam kay daddy. Open mouth. Yay! Yay! Ay, ayaw mo magpasubo. Kasi ganyan ginagawa niya. Pinunasan mo sana yan muna bago mo nilagay. Basta naman yan. You're having what, baby? Pork and malunggay. Malunggay, okay? And malunggay and pork. Eat vegetables. Okay? Diba? Eat na. Eat. Where's your spoon? Say good evening. Kain tayo. Ang dami ko namang plato dito. Wala pala akong kanin. Ayaw kong kumain ng bahaw. Bukas na. Ay, naku si anak. Ayan na naman. Marami yatang tubig yung ginawa mo. Nilagay mo. Where's the spoon now? You drop it. Say hi. Kain tayo ulam ko ano. Makarel na saba. Yung dilata. Tapos meron tayong pangsawsawan. Meron tayong okra. And meron tayong kangkong, naka-blanch. So, yan yung ating ulam. Yung kay Ayana, pork na may malunggay. Sinabawan ko lang. Si thank you, Lord, for the food. You drop your ano, baby, Yana. Ay, gusto niya marimar. Marimar ka talaga. Yeah. Eat properly, okay? Don't drop it. Hindi ka ba kain, Col? Ano pang inaantay mo mamaya? Kain tayo mga syas. Thank you, Lord, sa ating pagkain for tonight. Yes. Eating. Oh, babe, I forgot to buy Ayana's water. Can you buy later?
I don't have cash on me, babe.
I still have here.
Yeah. Keep 300 for her for tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kamay lang tayo. Ay, mas masarap magkamay. What's happened? You like this one? Yeah. Hulog ng isda. How about try this one, baby? Yeah, that's tomato. How about try it? Try it, that one. You like it? It's tomato. Careful. Mas gusto niya magkakamay. Ang ingay naman ng ano. Babe, can you turn down that, babe? Yummers. Nagustuhan niya yung dilata. Slowly lang. Use your spoon, baby Ana. Ba't ka nagkamay? Nasanay ka na magkamay? Ha? Sarap naman ng ano? Okra. Manamis-tamis. Nagkalat na yung bata. Anyway, tapos na yan siya. Ako patapos na rin. Inubos ko lang tong aking kangkong. Sayang naman, walang ibang kakain nito kundi ako lang. Right, Yana? Are you done? Yeah? Okay.